Go ahead.
Open your present, Gilbert.
What's that?
Open it.
Do you need a little hand?
Daddy will help you.
Daddy, I
Here, just go like this.
do.
Now you just grab it there.
Good.
Come on, just rip that paper like you slam on that computer keyboard. Go ahead. Don't be shy.
Gilbert.
Cheese. Cheese.
Say cheese.
Nice, Gilbert. Okay, now go back to the present. Open it. Want some help? Just tear the paper. What's inside?
Hey.
Look. What's inside?
Hey.
Okay, keep opening. Oh,
Present.
yeah, it's a present from Grandma and Grandpa. Okay. What's in there? What's in there?
Ghost.
What's in there?
Ghost.
Oh no, more cars.
What's that?
That.
What's that?
That.
What is it?
Who's in it?
Okay, press the button. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Come on, Gilbert. Say thank you.
Thank you.